comes. Come on, you bastard. Almost. Everyone, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. We're going to be just doing a quick install for the Ford 8-inch screen protector. This is the 8-inch version. They do also make a 12-inch version for the bigger screen, but as for demonstration right now, we are doing the 8-inch. What we have got from Amazon is this guy right here. It is actually a matte screen protector. Helps with the glare, fingerprints, and all that. It's very easy to install. Comes with everything you need. You have the screen protector itself. Comes with 2 lens cleaners and some wipes and stuff in here to get it cleaned up, plus your squeegees. So first thing, you want to wipe it down, make sure you get any dust and fingerprints off, because once the screen protector is on, you will see all that and you won't be able to wipe it off behind. All right, first step, rip open one of your wipes, wipe it down, make sure there's no fingerprints or oils or dirt, dust, anything on there. This is a pretty much brand new vehicle, so it's not too bad right now. So we'll give her a quick wipe down. Nice thing is these are streak free and they're not super wet, so you're not going to end up with a lot of moisture, but they do clean the screen just perfectly, and then we're all set for step 2. Step 2 is the screen itself. You can see they put stickers, says front and back. The front will be out towards you, and it comes with this little plastic flap here. There is tape on both sides, but this flap, if you can get it out, just gives you something to hold and put the screen on to get it lined up so you're not touching the back, because once the plastic protective film is off the back, if you get fingerprints on there, it is now stuck. So they give you these little handles so you can line it up with the screen, get her on nice and straight, should have no problem. All right, so now that you got her lined up nice and she's all on, you can see you do get a little bit of air bubbles behind. Get this squeegee, the white one. It's got a nice little felt tip on it. You don't have to worry about scratching anything. And then just with a little bit of pressure, push up, and you can see air bubbles are gone. Just squeegee it all on there. Make sure it's nice and tight. No bubbles, no streaks, no nothing like that inside. Work from the middle out. If you happen to get a little air bubble like that, you can see there's a piece of dust or something behind, so we're going to pop this back up and get that out, squeegee it back down, and then you're done. And there you go, you can see it's all gone. There was a little speck of dust behind there. Just pop it up on a corner, get your wipe it out behind, stick it back on, all good to go. You got the nice matte finish, won't show up fingerprints so badly, easy to clean, keeps the screen protected itself. Like I said, this is the 8-inch version. They do make a 12-inch version, which is basically this cutout on the Bronco. You've seen that in the little Ford video that I put in here. We also installed one on there. So easy peasy, less than a couple minutes, and you're all set. So make sure if you like this video, leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hopefully catch you in the next one.